Right, that's the Cape Port. Just on my way out to meet up with Rich and Serena. Tumbling's working. The bike's parked outside Greg's. That's a niece of mine. That's a blustery one. Morning. Yep. Have you? Yeah. Well, you won't be able to connect to mine now at the moment without repairing because it was playing up, so I had to do a complete factory reset.
I think what it is, why we were messed up last time with the three of us, on Bluetooth, I think you can only connect to two Bluetooth things at a time, so the phone being one, and that's one other person, so you couldn't have two people out.
Yeah, that's what I said.
And that's why you were getting part of it through Serena, and I
yeah, well mine's the same, through Bluetooth, I can only connect through one.
Yeah.
The other one's normally on my phone, but if we could get it to work for all three of us to connect all three of them, then I can disconnect from my phone. But as you two's connected at the moment, we won't muck about with it because we don't want to ruin it.
Do we have a play when we get to wherever we're going?
Yeah.
We're going to Minehead?
Yeah.
Do you want to leave?
I can do.
Well, what way should we go? We don't want to go straight down the main road, do we?
Well, that's the only route, really.
Well, no, I was thinking, why don't we do...
You don't want to go the back roads or anything like that with the weather we've had.
No. Because it's nice and sunny, why don't we do...
No, I was going to sort of cut through, watch it. I was going to cut through, watch it, and Blue Anchor.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
That's the route I set out for last week.
That's what we'll do. We'll follow you then, Michael.
Yeah.
Yeah. And is Serena going at the back or in the middle? Serena's going at the back, but I'll be able to G her up on the end.
Right, we're on our way. And Serena and Ritch connected on comms, so we're not going to go mucking about to try and get me on it as well, because I don't think a free one-way one will work. Right, we're on our way to Minehead. Gonna go via Watch It and Blue Anchor. Right, just enjoy the ride out there. It's clouded over a little bit, but that's an advantage in some ways because that sun can be a pain this time of year. It's nice to see it, but as long as it stays dry, which it's supposed to. He just can't stop himself. What are you braking for, you fucking muppet? Fuck's sake, it's 50 along here. Along here and he's doing 40. He doesn't seem to want to go any faster. Fuck's sake, now he's gone down to bloody 35. nowhere to overtake until after we get past Stowe. As soon as it was safe, yeah, I'll go. Have a bit of a blast on some twisties. Enjoyed that back there. I can see the sea, 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 I can see the sea. Go the back road from here to Blue Anchor via Watch It. An enjoyable ride so far. Weather's pretty good. Roads have been relatively dry. Coming in to Watch It this way is the route I needed anyway. It is the better route for getting through Watch It. Right, that's through Watch It. Going through the centre of it now. Nice little town. blustery here, but at least we are showing from the worst of it with these bushes. I think I might have went the wrong way for Blue Anchor, but never mind. Let's just enjoy the ride. If I went the wrong way, I did. No, I did go the right way. This hill takes us down into Blue Anchor. What a lovely sight, and that's where we're heading. See Butlins and Minehead up ahead. Oh, for fuck's sake, what are you doing? Tide's out, way out. I'm going once this car coming the other way's gone past, because this bloke's pissing me off now. Thank God for that. What a beautiful day. Back on the A39 now. Right, the final run into Minehead now. It's been an enjoyable ride up until now. Wait! Do either of you need the loo?
What?
Do either of you need the loo?
No, why?
Well, because we could have nipped down by the harbour otherwise and used them before we parked up. That's why I asked. What?
Down where, sorry?
Before we parked up, we could have nipped down and used them if neither of you need to go.
No, do you need the toilet? No, leave off, Michael.
Right, we're here at Minehead.
I was going to say, you've got all this space, and I thought you were going to try and squeeze in there.
I've often wondered where in Hybrids it was that Ritch lives.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
So that's turning, that's his private lane, and then that big house is his.
That's okay. There we go. Enjoy it.